Today is 6th of April. Time is about 5:53 p.m. I'm here in Slough. Donald Trump, hang on. Donald Trump na saying, "Give me a Nobel Prize." He's just going to address it. Change time change. This time I usually go for afternoon prayer, asar, other. you know, Wallah sre inna insan ala fi khusar. Yeah, as Corona, Olympus has fallen. Chapter 103. Anyway, Yusuf Zee, Nobel Prize. Yazidi Nobel Prize. Freemason, Barack Hussein Obama na, Barack Hussein Obama, Freemason na, assassins. Husseini, वो ask Pharaohs. Husseini Yazid is a very cruel man. Donald Trump is addressing very soon. There's an ISI. I see ISI. General CC. Illuminati. ISIS. एहसास program Imran Khan's Urdu English. Stop him from flopping. Spranto. When pick and choose English. Semitic language, anti-Semitic, greater Israel. Israel gets money is na in offshore accounts in dollars somewhere in Switzerland. Greater Israel is in danger. Israel has which English? Esperanto, Hebrew or Shebra? Stop him from flopping. Is the mechanics no? Look. Slow down. Reinvented. They are Nobel Prize. Alfred Nobel. Alfred Dynamite. Blasted. Bum chic bum. Blasted. What happened? PPD prize. 420, 20th April. That deep horizon, what's that? Yeah, oil rig economy, rig election, rig investigation. Which English? Anyway, he was from Slough here. I'm back to Callan. Alex Young, Scotland Yard. I re-educated. Indian visa work permit, open border. Let's devote them. Immigration aid. And they shouldn't be because you, many people should be moving to. Inshallah, they will be poor, dirty, ugly people. What about them in Asia, in in Africa, Latin America, Mexico? Donald Trump, it's over there. ISI, Peters. That's they run away. I think some complex, military complex. I don't know. Supposed to be, supposed to be, supposed to be, supposed to be homeless. Residential apartments. What's that English? Very diplomatically proper English. Oh, police coming! Police coming! Zebra crossing. I'm not gonna cross it because police gonna stop it. And he stopped it now. There's a police coming. Police coming. Watch. Zebra crossing. Zebra. I zebra. Hey, Muslim devil. Muslim Jack. Zabur is a David. David. Zabur. Azar Dawood and Islam. Yeah, David. Store. David and Goliath. Donald Trump dressing. Change appointment. Okay, usually I go this time. Pray here in Slough. Today I'm gonna go to Diamond Road Mosque. People came from Mirpur, lots of people from Slough. There was a dam in Jhelum from Pakistan. British Pakistani Home Secretary. Move on the right. Okay. Got it. Anyways, I think it should be enough. I thought Donald Trump. Hey, police coming. I will throw party if they come to Question me, what the fuck you talking about? Uleche. Wait, Nigeria. Uleche Baba Lulu, Kemi Badenoch. There's a Kemi who won it. Youngest ever Italian looking. Curly hair. But very young. Italian look. One Formula One. Wow. Traffic lights, police are not doing anything. Man, is a Hollywood shooting going on. Anyways, I will speak later on. Bye bye. Bye bye.